Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you like. Let's see here. Today we are stuffing our savings challenges. Yes. Okay, so this is not getting old to me. So these are the savings challenges we did on Saturday. And of course, you know, we didn't skip our high priority cash stuffing yesterday. So if you missed that, go ahead and check it out. But today we're going to go ahead and put this, I believe it was $21. So we have 5, 10, 15, $21 that we're working with. And I wanted to get some change. Let me hush it and grab some change. Okay, so we've got some dollar bills here, and so we're just going to put $2 into each savings challenge. We're going to roll the dice, and I'm sorry for all the noise. My kiddos are playing on their VR, and so once they get, you know, so far into the game, it's hard to get them to come back to reality until they take the headset off. So you're going to hear the whoos and the you know, wild. You're going to hear the noise from them really enjoying that game. So anyway, we have our cash, we have the dice. Let's jump in. 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 6, 3, 1, 6, 6, 6. Okay. All right, 6 meant to get some cash today, I guess. All right, so number 1 is getting $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 today. I love that for us. All of these savings challenges are in our shop, and this beauty right here is from the tattoo collection. I just counted and I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, so close. So stinking close. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. I know where to come get some ones next time. All right, number 2 is our Mermaid Savings Challenge, and she's not getting anything today. Number 3 is getting $2, and she's our Melanin Spring Collection. 1, 2. So hopefully, because I did print up the other savings challenges that I've been wanting to add into our binder so you can see the other things that are in our shop. I need to laminate them still, that's why I haven't pulled them out. So hopefully soon I'll get to it so that way you can see the other items that we have. All right, we got $2 more going into our Soft Girl era. And let's see, this one actually has numbers marked, so we'll do this $2 right there. Okay, so in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 saved so far. All right, $2 going into our Coffee and Puppies Savings Challenge. How did I do this last time? I mixed a couple colors, but I don't even know. Okay, that's not the same. We're just going to go for it, though. All right, so in total we have $4 in our coffee and puppy savings challenge. Super cute. Yeah, we've worked so hard to add new items to the shop. It's such beautiful saving challenges, and so I really do want to put them into rotation instead of using the same ones over and over and skipping the other ones, but I've got to get it together in terms of laminating them. All right, so we have 2, 2, 3. All right, so this cupcake roll and save is a add-on to one of our other savings challenges. I'm not certain if it's the taco savings challenge or if it's our other roll and save. So let's see here. We have 2, 2, and then 3. Woohoo! So cool to see these funds adding up so quickly. I've said before, my savings challenges, I save a little bit at a time, try to get this money built up so I can do a sinking funds cash stuffing where I'm putting money into other envelopes for my goals. And then also saving a little bit for things that I know are coming, like my kiddo's birthday is coming, back to school, things like that, and also my birthday. But I'm not really quite working directly on my birthday yet, but my kiddos I am, because obviously, you know, they're my children. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Perfect. Okay, that's it, you guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for coming back. See you next time. Bye, guys.